Can eye workouts improve focus and concentration? You bet. Let's get blinking. So, can eye workouts actually improve focus and concentration? Absolutely. And here's the kicker. It starts with focusing on eye exercises techniques and frequent blinking. When you are doing exercises, you need to feel eye motion. You got to focus on them. You want to train your eyes without wondering about something else. Blink, blink, and blink again. You know what we don't focus on enough? Blinking. That's right, folks. The simplest, most underrated eye workout there. If you are staring at screen for hours, your eyes are basically squeezing your eyes, refusing to blink until you look like a dehydrated fish. To improve eye focus, you need to make blinking a habit every second. Give those eyelids a little workout. Think of it like a high five for your eyeballs. The more you blink, the more refreshed your eyes feel, and refreshed eyes lazy sharp eye focus. Eye muscle needs stretching too. Really. Ever wonder why your eyes start feeling like they are on a marathon after a long day staring at the screens? Turns out your eye muscle need flexibility too. You would not go to the gym and skip stretching, right? Well, maybe you would, but your eyes cannot afford it. To simple exercises like looking up, down, to sides, and diagonals. Yes, diagonals are a thing for your eyes. Help keep those eye muscle flexible. A flexible eye muscle is a happy, able to focus eye muscles. Feeling eye fatigue before it becomes an eye meltdown. Let's talk about eye fatigue. Burning feeling when your eyes are practically screaming for a break, but you're like just one more video. Learning how to feel eye strain is the key to improving sight. It's like realizing you're tired before you fall asleep, standing up at your desk. When your eyes feel strained, take a break. Walk away, maybe even get a quick power nap. Just don't tell your boss. Your eyes will thank you, and your concentration will be back like a superhero returning after a lunch break. Resting your eyes. Speaking of breaks, let's get one thing straight. Resting your eyes isn't being lazy, it's being smart. Want to improve focus? Learn to embrace the power of a good all-eyed rest. Close your eyes for a few seconds or go full on palming mode. Yes, I say palming again because it's a game changer. Think of it as hitting the reset button on your close distance locked eye focus. Your brain and your eyes will be back in synchronization, ready to conquer the next task with the concentration of a ninja. Check out eye training program Eyesight Academy to improve your eye health and vision naturally. Conclusion: blinking, stretching, and eye focus. New best friends. So, can eye workouts improve focus and concentration? Absolutely. But like any good workout routine, you got to commit. Focus on eye exercises. Blink every second you need to focus on it. Otherwise, you will forget. Keep those eye muscles flexible and listen when your eyes say they had enough. It's all about building habits that help your eyes stay sharp and your concentration on point.